Hi and welcome to RC Nerd 74. In today's episode I'm gonna talk about the test I did on my Funcub from Multiplex. I installed a 4-blade prop just to try out how a 4-blade prop can work on the Funcub. I'm gonna show you the installation steps, and at the end of the video I also gonna show you some footage of the test flights. For the first 4-blade prop test, I decided to go for E-FLITE prop, which is a 9.8 inch prop by 6. This is a pretty small prop, but I wasn't sure how big the prop should be in comparison to a 2-blade prop, which is usually used for planes like this. So I decided to go with a pretty small prop and tried how this will work. There were a few little things I had to do. One was that I didn't have a spinner which fitted the plane, so I decided to take the spinner I used a few years ago on my Alpha model Air Racer, the Lavochkin LA7, and modified it to make it fit for a 4-blade prop. For this I had to cut out 2 areas for the 2 additional blades and drilled also the center hole from 5mm to 6mm to make it fit on the motor shaft. Another little issue was that the prop hasn't a 6mm hole but an 8mm hole. Because of this I had to make a small adapter which eliminates the play between the 6mm shaft and the 8mm hole of the prop to avoid any vibrations during the flight. The prop wasn't well balanced, so I also had to balance it. To balance all my props I used the Dubro prop balancer, which works absolutely perfect for jobs like this. To make the finish look a little bit nicer, I painted the spinner in shiny black, which fits the Funcub pretty well. So that's already all about the installation. Now let's jump right into the flight footage. Thanks for watching, have a good time, happy flying, bye bye.